Hi guys, need to show you this video over there, topsoil pile and slope for detention pond. Here you can see they poured diamond. Here they poured the piers for concrete columns, and you can see, and I uploaded some videos about this project. So here, that's the exterior wall. They piers like diamond. Here they set the anchor bolt. Over there the grading work. So here they cut back, they try to pour that piece of slab first, and then that second that will be turned down slab. So here you can see smooth dowel like 6 inches, that's half inches, 6 inches out. And here you can see same thing here, that's the diamond with expansion joint. Okay, here you can see saw-cut joint here at the corner, okay, and here they are formed for another slab. So that is slab number 1, that's slab number 2, that will be 6 inches above, you can see. So here that's the chairs and the wire mesh, and you can see like each 2 foot, okay, they form out here. Okay, so they poured that slab first, as a U. Okay, so they poured this one as a U, big U, and then they came back to do the second slab, and after that they will pour. So here the concrete rock mixer can go and pour direct. If you make a big section like this, you need to unform here, and the truck mixer can go and run over the wire mesh and chairs, and you need to move the chairs, and the truck mixer if right above the mesh wire will be not good, will bend it. So they poured as a U, and then that will be another U, so they can pour direct from the truck mixer. And here you can see the smooth dowel for expansion joint. And here, okay, you can see this one, that's the chairs, that's what they used here. Okay, so that's the chairs they used. Okay guys, you can see here, that's plastic just to raise the wire mesh like 1 inch above. Okay, so here again they pour slab, and then they saw cut, and then they form above it like that is 2 by 8, so 7.5 inches. Okay, and here you can see, they put that, so they put that groove, so when they pour, okay, here this one you can see they glue it. They glue it, they put it there. Okay, here you can see they caulked the expansion joint here. They caulk it because that will be under the slab, and here like that will be exposed. They didn't caulk it, later they will caulk. So they caulked that control joint, and here you can see here what they did, So again, so here you can see they caulked the control joint, and here they didn't caulk it, so save time. And here you can see, they put that chamfer here, chamfer. So when they remove the foam, you have this area. Okay, here they installed that also, that's another chamfer. So there's the chamfer here, there's the chamfer here, they glue it. Okay, and here there's like slab out, electrical work here you can see. Okay, so you can see they put this piece, and then they set this one on place. You can see that's how they hold it on place, so when they pour concrete it will stay here. You have one here, one there. Okay guys, so again they caulk the control joint. There's a chamfer here, chamfer, and that's the chairs. Okay, here you can see the materials. So as I said, they poured concrete first thing as a U, and then they will pour another U. They put a plastic sheet underneath, and here you can see they form out here. And as I said, that is 2 by 8, and you can see chamfer here, and that piece of, okay, put it inside. Okay, there's a layout for okay, for those boxes, and here you can see this one slope this way. You can see slope this way because that's what the drawing called. Okay, here again you can see they cooked the control joint. Here you can see the slab. So as I said, they poured this one first, and later they will pour turn down slab. That is the fire line and the water line. Okay, electrical work. This area to grade, they compacted well. You can see plastic sheet. Okay guys, so again here they caulk the control joint here. This one they will do it later. And the idea here, this project, they poured as a U. Okay, here you can see the plastic, and that's what they used for some boxes, you know. That's what they used, this piece. Okay. Okay guys, here you can see smooth dowel, plastic sheet. Later they will do overlap with tape, red tape, so you can see wire mesh. So here there's a slab, first slab that's 6 inches, the other slab 7.5, because that's 2 by 6, that's 2 by 8. Okay guys, and here you can see wire mesh, stone. They put a stone like 1 inch, 2 inches to stay away from mud. And here, that's the hydraulic to use. Okay, so here you can see the wire mesh 1 inch above. It is not on the middle. Okay, so it's 1 inch above the slab. Okay guys, if you like this video, please like, subscribe. We'll upload more videos about construction work. Thank you guys, bye.